Hello and welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
It's bonfire night today, or bonfire day. It's not the night yet. And we're gonna spend the day prepping up for that. I'm pretty excited about it. Alishka, on the other hand, doesn't really believe in bonfire night.
I don't know if it's a question of belief, Jack, to be honest. Like,
well, she doesn't know what it's all about.
And there's a night, I think it's...
She's not as excited as I am. I'm really excited. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep up a bonfire night with some food, with some fireworks, and we're going to go to a bonfire, a little bonfire on Blackheath, which is in London. So we're going to get some food now and make some kind of bonfire-y treats.
I was promised some toffee.
Guy Fawkes absolutely loves some toffee. What toilet roll should I get? Oh, perfect, some hay. Perfect. Looks like you've got a baby.
I have one bottle, it's for the tea.
I think Alishka's gone for a nap somewhere. The last thing we need now is a thermos flask for some little drinky poos. Perfect. Okay, all the cooking is done.
It's like soft, really nice and soft. That nice.
You don't usually like cake?
No, it's really soft. It doesn't taste like sponge, it tastes like cloud.
It's just chili con carne. Chug, chug, chug.
That's nice.
Nice, it's nice. It might have all dissipated down. Wow.
I hope it's drinkable because it might be really, really sweet.
It's nice.
Is it?
Yeah, it is actually. We're skeptical. Alright, we're in the old lifty poo and we are going to Blackheath. Fireworks are about to begin. So we've got with us, what we've got with us, we've got a flask of mulled cider and some fiery ginger treacle cake. As you can see, it is dark, it's cold, but it's not raining, and that is a win for an English bonfire night. Oh, I should... Oh, foolish. I've got my nice trainers on. Why did I do that? Anyway, let's get there. Excited! Where's this Uber?
SE3
Yeah, to Blackheath. Probably the best supplied bonfire night I've ever been on.
Or like just general trip.
Yeah.
We bought a thermo flask especially.
I think that's a good purchase.
Yeah.
It's going to come in useful for years to come. It's an investment.
An investment piece. How much was it?
4 quid.
4 quid.
Yeah.
That is worth its money.
We have arrived at Blackheath. Is it in Greenwich? It's near to Greenwich. It's really cold.
It's so cold today.
Absolutely freezing. I'll say this is like classic London, any event. There's these same stalls everywhere you go.
This is quite a cute place for a bonfire night, just because other places like in parks in the centre of London, they're like fenced off. So it feels really weird when there's massive crowds in basically a fence. I don't know, it's just something a bit uncomfortable about that. So this is quite nice because it's just in the middle of an open field.
Alishka's got a bad, dark history with fences. Spent 4 years of her life. I shouldn't tell him, should I? 7 more minutes and then fireworks are on. Those fireworks over. Anyway,
Somewhat underwhelming.
I'm going to give them a 6 out of 10.
Probably a 5.
But we've got our own fireworks at home, so round 2 coming up.
Yeah, so you get the kernels, bit of oil, touch of something special, can't say what, mix it up, mix it up.
What was the special thing? Sorry, I want to know because we have our little cake, ginger cake.
Smells of ginger, very good. Great consistency. Look at that spring back. You get that? Oh! That's so moist! That is so moist! That is amazing! Have you?
That is the end of our bonfire vlog. Happy bonfire night, guys. Here's
Lots of sparkly fun.
Here's to the posing regions through gunpowder plots. Woo!
I'm toasting that fantastic ginger cake and chili that we made.
Yeah, good work. See.
Congratulations. Please don't burn my face. We have Avada Kedavra at those.
That's it. Before we go, check out us in bed.
Sorry, Mum.
Bonfire chili con carne. Elishka didn't want chili con carne earlier today. Now look at her.
Yeah, eating my words.
Do you appreciate the type of food you need to have on bonfire night now?
Warm food. Muchos warm food.